Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I have got box. Lots of boxes. We'll be doing lots of unboxing. All right, we're going to see what's in all of these boxes. So I think primarily this is 888 lots. And the way 888 lots is now structured, you saw us unbox the 3 big boxes that had kind of the backpacks and the ozone machine and all that stuff. That's usually how 888 lots comes. But now they have some sort of a deal with Amazon where it gets shipped directly from the Amazon warehouse. And so we bought all these and they got shipped randomly. I literally have no idea what's in these boxes because they come at all different kind of paces. Some you get the very next day, just like typical Amazon shipments, and then others take longer. And so we've just been stacking them up until we get them all here so that we can kind of see, do we have everything on our invoice? So what's in these boxes? Let's find out. Alright, we're going to open the baby box.
Little person.
Little person box.
There's some kind of lithium battery sticker.
Yep. Okay, it says 888 lots on it. What is it? Oh, it's a shaver.
Ta-da!
It says electric shaver razor for men. Unikoi. At least it's not a unicorn, because that'd be a really tiny box for a unicorn. But they could have mini unicorns. If they had a mini unicorn and it was real, would you buy it?
You're blowing my mind right now.
They better not ship it in an Amazon box. That would be animal abuse, I think. All right. Next box.
Please disregard some of the comments.
Listen, stop whispering to them. I can't hear you when you do that. I feel like he's keeping secrets.
I had already opened this one by accident.
Yeah.
Look at that!
Awesome, we needed more of these. Is this the exact one we had online?
Oh boy, I think it might be. I can't remember right now. But we sold out of every headset that we had, gaming headsets. When I can catch them on a good price, I try to scoop them up.
Yeah, because they're really handy. Also, the other thing I wanted to let you know is we had 2 fire sales last week, and I'm super excited to say that all the invoices are done. So if you cannot find your invoice for any reason, please email me and say, hey, it's lost in invoice land. I don't know. Sometimes they end up in spam folders and stuff. So if for some reason you can't find it, just send me an email. All right. What else we got? Oh, another gaming headset.
Kaboom.
Good. I'm glad we have more than one.
The reason they're shipped in different boxes from Amazon, they're coming from different Amazon warehouses. That's the deal, I believe. Somehow that 888 Lots has with Amazon, but
well, in our deal when we buy from them is you get $1 shipping, I think, is what we pay.
You can
sometimes.
And so I try to just be very careful with the shipping. Sometimes that works out, sometimes it doesn't work out, but hey.
All right, let's see what else we got. Ooh, is this more? Good. So these are also gaming headsets. These are in prettier boxes.
They are.
Okay. Not that there's nothing wrong. Oh, this whole box is gaming headsets.
I think that's the case.
Yeah. All right.
We have gaming headsets, my friend.
Yep. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 so far. Need a gaming headset?
Same deal when you buy from 888 Lots. You have to buy everything.
So this one, we're going to go ahead and list these on hookedonpickin.com,
yes.
Correct? Okay, so
correct.
All of this stuff will be found on hookedonpickin.com.
Correct.
Thanks for joining us on our last fire sale. That was bonkers.
That was awesome.
Crazy. Yep.
Fire sale's been fantastic as of late.
You guys have
more
been
people been hopping on.
Amazing, and you guys have been paying right away.
Ooh, something different.
Ooh, this is another more unicorns.
Nope. More unicorn razors.
I mean, Unikoi, the 3-headed razor.
However you pronounce that. It's a razor.
Unikoi? No, I'm putting the N in the wrong spot. Ukinoi. Usinoi?
U-I-C-I-N-O-Y.
Okay. That's how you say
it's a razor, everybody.
It's a razor, everyone. All right.
Probably a private labeled razor or something.
So we got 5 of those. What else is in here? What if it was like a shaving unicorn? The unicorn.
You're stuck on unicorn.
I am stuck on unicorns today. I don't know what my deal is.
More headsets.
More headsets.
Hopefully, we unbox something besides headsets
something new. Everybody's like,
nice.
Boring. This is so boring. All right, it's a bigger box. Surely it has to be something that's not a headset or a razor. Although headsets and razors do sell well.
They will sell.
Yep.
We've got
Okay, these look a little different.
A different different headset.
Yeah.
Well, here we go.
Okay, here's the question. What color is it?
It's probably the blue one.
This one says purple. See the little...
Oh, it is, yeah. The check
This
purple.
one's purple.
Right now. How did you tell that?
This one has a check mark next to the purple. You
Oh
can barely
my
see
word,
the check
where's
mark.
that?
See? You can barely see it. Probably doesn't even
Oh,
show
yeah,
up
okay.
through the-
It looks like
it's
a little line there.
It's a little dent, basically. Yeah.
So I got
these are
purple ones now. So it looks
Purple
like
and
we got
blue.
blue. What were these colors?
Ooh, yeah. That's
I'm
a good
assuming this is blue.
Let's see.
I'm guessing blue.
Let me see. What's it say on the tag here?
It's the SA902.
This one says...
This is the AH28.
These are noise isolating gaming headsets.
This is a different brand also.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, well,
Two different kinds.
two different kinds of headsets.
If you need to tell the difference between brother and sister or whatever,
Boom.
and now you have a purple one, and now you have...
It's a good idea.
Yeah. All right. This is a riveting video.
I'm pretty sure I bought more than just headsets and razors.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you one bit. Ooh, this looks different. Okay, I believe you now, Paul. I believe.
Thank you,
I
Heather.
to believe it. Oh, me of little faith. All right. Ooh,
Oh,
massage guns.
massage guns. So we sold out of these real fast.
Really fast. I think these are the same ones we had
Yes,
before.
exact same.
So we got 2 massage guns in this box.
They have a feature on 888 Lots. Sounds like we're running a commercial for them. They're not paying us. We probably should ask for payment or something.
Yeah. Give us money, 888 Lots.
Yeah, it just works out pretty good. Shop with them. But they have a feature on their site that's called Restock. So I can hit the Restock button and it shows me anything that I have purchased from them in the past. And that's how I found that one.
Perfect. Oh, here's 2 more.
2 more. Awesome.
These things are expensive.
They are expensive.
And it comes with all the little, like, it's battery operated and you charge it. And then it's gunmetal gray. And then it has all these different cushions. So this like goes down the spine, hammer, the pinpoint, and the cushion.
Yep.
But they work great for like muscles and stuff like
Yep.
that.
We need to use it on your shoulder.
I know.
Heather's shoulder. She's got a pinched nerve up there.
Oh, my whole arm is like burning right now.
Yep.
So
Somebody said she's having a heart attack. It's not a heart attack.
It's not a heart
We got her
attack.
checked out.
It's
a
I
pinched
have a
nerve.
pinched nerve up here, and it's causing me issues.
A pain in her neck.
I have a pain in my neck. It is not currently Paul. All right, these
Currently.
are just currently.
I heard
this
that
time,
word, currently.
today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There you go.
I mean, we are just exciting with our 4.
Woo.
Well, last time we did an 888 Lots box unboxing, I think it was like 4
items.
4 items. This
So
says
what-
heavy. It's probably totally 100% full of
Yeah, probably.
massage guns, probably.
That'll be awesome.
Like I said, go to hookedonpickin.com. You'll find each and every one of these items on hookedonpickin.com. More massage guns. That's all that's in this box. And bubbles. Bubbles to pop. Ready?
Oh my.
There we go. I just scared someone's
Somebody
pet.
somebody
Someone's
just
dog just freaked out.
somebody.
All right. Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready? 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 Here we go.
It's another whole box.
Another whole box of them.
Well, I am batting 1,000 lately, aren't I?
Just
I thought for sure with all of these boxes I'd have more than just 4 items, but okay.
Because we had 2 different gaming headsets, which I did want to check the gaming headsets to see what kind of attachments they had. So these ones normally come with a USB attachment and then the little like headphone jack one. So you can actually use these with your phone because it has the microphone, so you can listen and then talk at the same time. I use these a lot of time for my consultation phone calls, of which I did one this morning at 9. So when you're watching this,
Do you guys
I've
want to
done
see
that.
what an entire pallet? Because this video goes when? Friday?
Yes,
Right? Tomorrow?
an entire pallet.
Today's Thursday.
Yes,
Okay.
but it's going live on Friday. Yes.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Well, we just got done invoicing, like Heather said, that entire pallet sold on the fire sale. You want to see what's left of that entire pallet? The entire pallet.
Yep.
What is left of that entire pallet is that. That is it. That is all that is left.
To be honest, I think these 2 We just have these left because these would have sold out.
Those
but I
we refer
miscounted
to
them.
as scribal error.
Scribal error. I miscounted.
Or I. It doesn't. It could be my mistake or your mistake.
This
or
one is so pretty that I feel like I purposely
it might just be
miscounted
yours.
this one. It's become mine.
Might just be yours.
Paul really wanted to keep the frozen swimming ring for himself. But,
Yep, exactly.
And he wanted to have a disco. All right, this was...
Yeah, troll.
We had a troll.
Had a troll hop on, and we were trying to figure out what to do there.
All right, so that's literally see the barbecue, and then this
all
was
gone.
the reason why we have these left is they gave us 3 extra, so we weren't able to make the sets.
Yep.
So we're probably just gonna throw these in the store,
Probably.
or maybe throw them on a fire sale as a bundle.
Yeah.
But
good.
anyway, whole pallet. Poof, gone.
Gone.
Wait,
That was
should we show
amazing.
them what it looks like now?
Yeah,
The
sure.
pile of boxes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. All right. So
You want me to watch on that
yeah.
way, or you want to come around?
I'll come around. All right.
Okay.
So we're gonna show you what we finished doing today.
Then I follow Heather.
All right. So this is the result. So this is all the boxes we have left. We have boxed everything up. So when you buy your item, when you get an invoice, it means we've already completely boxed everything, and it has a list of all the items you bought and the total of which you are going to pay.
Yeah.
So these are waiting to be paid for. There's a stack over here that's waiting to be shipped out.
That's
And
the UPS stack in that corner.
And we have a small stack of regular mail because we already had a stack this high.
Yep.
We had a stack this high already go out today.
Yep.
So we finished invoicing, and so a lot of the ones that already went out today were people that we invoiced yesterday and this morning. And I'm sorry if you were the one that got the invoice at like 2 p.m. or 4 p.m.
Yep.
because we were working feverishly to get everything, but these just took a long time to
Yep.
box because some of the items
And
were
the
there.
store was open too, all at the same
So
time.
we were kind of doing both at the same time. So you'll almost always get your invoice by 5 p.m. the next day.
Yep.
Okay, unless we announce that there's something wrong, you can always send me an email. So I usually will respond to those emails.
You want to take them out to the store?
Yeah, you guys haven't seen the store in a long time, so let's go ahead and look at it.
Heather did a cool thing this morning. She put out the, what are those lists again?
School supply lists.
Yeah.
So here's our school supply list. So we had these little stands.
Usesurplusfurniture.com.
Yeah, that's the furniture guy.
Yep.
Well, we had these stands for sale on Pickin. We only have one left. So I had Lexi build them this morning. These are the school supply lists for our area school. So this is the
cool.
name of our school and the elementary schools. So we have kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth grade.
Oh, that was a good idea. We already had people coming in and taking lists. And when they would take lists, they just started going right down that aisle.
Yeah. So I put it right here because this is basically the supplies
Yeah.
they would need. So
Several of them started buying pens and
yeah.
notebooks and all sorts of different things.
Yep. It's super
Here
cool.
comes somebody right now wanting to come into the store.
Yep. We're close.
And we're closed. We've been closed for a while.
Yep. So anyway, so we'll go ahead and show you. We have our Westland wear over here. So we're kind of working on that one area.
That's the school.
This is the school
School
that they go to.
kids go to.
And lots of other fun things. We put out a bunch more toys and stuff. So, yep. More toys. I love these little animal espresso mug sets. These are cute. Did we have these for sale in the store at one time? I don't think
They are. They're on there right now.
Oh yeah. So look at these little baby, little espresso shots, cups.
There they are.
It's a narwhal, a unicorn, a cat, and a sloth.
Very
And
good.
then, we still have a few candles on the store, not a ton.
Candles, we've had issues with candles breaking in shipping. And so they've been nice like that. They sell almost every time. The wash your darn hands. That sells actually pretty quickly.
I just think it's hilarious.
So, all kinds of goofy things.
Yeah. So you want to show them any other part of the store?
No, I think we're good.
So,
Here we are.
yes. Slowly getting organized.
Yeah. I think for long days, but good days.
Yeah. The school supply list I thought was a really cool
We're
idea.
making tens of dollars,
Tens
too.
of dollars.
Tens of dollars.
All right, so that was our unboxing. We kind of wanted to give you a little bit of a tour and tell you about the fire sales and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and find your invoice. Make sure you make payment before that Monday fire sale so you can participate in it. If you have not paid for your fire sale, you can't participate in Monday's fire sale. So make sure you do that. We would love to get it shipped off right away. Monday's fire sale is 4th of July, and so we're hoping to see a lot of people on and just say hello and Happy Independence Day, 4th of July. We're probably going to do, it's probably just a regular size fire sale. you know.
Probably.
So, so we'll see you all on Monday live, and then I'm also going to on Saturday make sure we do the live stream on Saturday. So we'll check in with you Saturday after we close the store. So it'll be sometime after 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thanks so much for joining us for this unboxing, and look for those items on hooked-on-pickin.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.